Hey everybody, so this is just a quick video in case you have a Samsung dryer and you're getting an OD or a 0D error. So basically the dryer will give you this error if it is taking too long to dry. So it has amount of time it thinks it should take to dry, and if it's taking too long it will throw up an OD error. So this could be for a couple of reasons. A couple of things that I would check in order to get rid of this error is, one, make sure that all of your lint filters and everything like that are clear to make sure that the air is flowing clearly. Make sure you didn't put stuff that was just totally soaking wet into the dryer. And then if it's none of those things, you might want to check the wiring and everything like that and make sure that the heating elements, all the electronics going to the heating elements, are working properly. And if one final thing that you can try is to just do a hard reset on the machine, which would be to cut power to it completely for a full minute, either by unplugging it from the wall or turning it off at the circuit breaker, and then returning the power to it, turning it back on, and seeing if that fixes whatever error it is. And if none of those things fixes it, you're probably going to need to call out for service. But anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.